Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a free and powerful email app for your Windows laptop or PC that gives you full control over your inbox, then Thunderbird might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Thunderbird on your Windows computer the right way. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Windows PC. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. Now go to the search bar and type Thunderbird, then press enter. Make sure you click on the official website, thunderbird.net. This is very important. Always download software from the official website to avoid fake or harmful files. Once the website loads, you'll see a big download button. The site usually detects Windows automatically. Just click the download button. The setup file will now start downloading to your computer. It will usually download as an .exe file. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, go to your Downloads folder, or click the downloaded file at the bottom of your browser. Now double-click the Thunderbird setup file. If you see a user account control message asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" click Yes. The Thunderbird setup wizard will now appear. Click Next. Choose Standard Installation, then click Next again. Finally, click Install. The installation process will begin and should only take a few moments. Once it's finished, click Finish, and Thunderbird will launch automatically. And that's it. Thunderbird is now successfully installed on your Windows laptop or PC. When you open it for the first time, simply enter your name, email address, and password. Thunderbird will automatically detect the correct settings for most email services, like Gmail, Outlook, and others, and you're all set. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.